Amazon Transparency Program is not just another tool from Amazon, it is a lifesaver for many brands. Amazon sellers put their blood and sweat to make a successful brand on Amazon, to make an established listing on Amazon, to make that sales velocity. And after years of hard work, what they see is all of a sudden a new seller, an unknown seller, started selling their product under their buy box. They start digging it, try to understand what just happened. They opens a case with Amazon and few follow-ups, few days, few weeks, and sometimes few months, and loss of thousands and thousands of dollars. If you are someone whose listing has been hijacked like this in the past, hi, my name is Anoop. I'm founder of Zenith, a profit-first full-service Amazon agency. I will let you know in this video what exactly Amazon Transparency Program is, how to use it correctly, and should you use it. So make sure to watch this video till the end and hit a like and do subscribe if you like this video. This gives me an extra motivation and boost to keep creating this kind of content. So please make sure to watch this video till the end, and at the end of this video I'll provide a cheat sheet on Amazon Transparency Program which will help you to enroll, get transparency labels printed, and apply them correctly step by step. Okay, so let's get back to the topic. So what is Amazon Transparency Program and what is this Amazon Transparency Code? So Amazon Transparency Code is a code similar to FNSQ and UPC code that you need to put on your product packaging along with FNSQ code and UPC code. Let me say it again, along with. So you need transparency code and FNSQ or UPC code both at the same time. However, the key difference in the transparency codes and FNSQ codes is the purpose of these codes, and the UPC and FNSQ codes are going to be the same for all the products, but transparency code is going to be unique for each item. Let me give you an example. So I got these three items to showcase this. So these are Aqualens lens cleaners, and I have a lot because I wear eyeglasses, so I need them. Okay, so you see here, these are UPC codes, and these are UPC codes here. All of them have it. So ending digit are 276, 276 for this one too, and 276 for this one too. So you see UPC code is exactly the same on all these three units, but the transparency code is going to be different, going to be unique for all these. So if the if this is a transparency code and this will end 276, so this will be a different one, the code will be different, this barcode also will be different. And now let's talk about purpose. So Amazon FNSQ or UPC code are product identifier, in a way Amazon use this to track them, to store them, to organize them, to send them to customers, right? And transparency codes are to track the authenticity. Let me tell you how. Nobody can ship any single unit to Amazon or to customers without these transparency codes once you enroll in the transparency program. Now, at the same time, nobody else other than the brand owner can get these transparency labels from Amazon. So you see, only brand owners will get these codes, and without these codes nobody can send these items to Amazon or to the shop. So this way nobody can sell your product without your permission, and this is a very neat and clean way to keep the hijackers away from your listing. So Amazon Transparency Program is a program like Amazon Wine Program, Amazon shipping program, Amazon ads program. So it's basically a program that allows you to enroll your products into the program and get these transparency codes for your product. So that's it. And let me tell you, these Amazon Transparency Program is global. So once you enroll it for one country, one marketplace, it is going to be applicable for each and every marketplace. And I think I made it clear that you can't ship the products to Amazon shopper also without transparency label. That means whether you are selling FB or FBM. Now the big question is, why don't all the sellers use this transparency program to save their listing from hijackers? So there are three reasons behind it. Number one is the cost. Of course, there is a cost. Nothing is free on Amazon. Amazon charges 5 cents per code you purchase. If you purchase less than 1 million codes in 12 months. If you purchase more than 1 million codes in 12 months, this cost is going to be cheaper. The second challenge is manufacturing complications. Of course, the suppliers, the sellers need to attach one more code on their packaging before shipping to Amazon. And the third challenge is the complicated onboarding and codes printing process. That's why many Amazon sellers avoid these transparency codes. But in this video today, I'm going to make this Amazon transparency thing so easy for you that everybody, almost everybody who is in need of this thing is going to use it. Now let's talk about the solutions of these problems. So problem number one was the financial burden. You can easily increase your price from 5 to 10 cents. It doesn't matter to the customers most of the time. The second challenge was the manufacturing complications. So now what I see is many Amazon sellers ship their products to Amazon with FNSQ code. So use transparency labels with FNSQ codes on them. Yes, you can get those transparency labels also and apply them to your products. Now, of course, you need to pay a little extra to get the transparency codes printed, but the labeling cost you are going to save because you were already going to apply the FNHQ labels. There is one extra process here. You need to order these codes from Amazon, get them printed in-house. You can print it at your home, or you can ask your suppliers to print it, or you can get it printed from third-party printing service provider. I'll put some references here in the description. You can find some in the description. You can find some trusted partners who are affiliated to Amazon also. And on top of this video, you can find a cheat sheet in the description for the same. It is again a step-by-step guide. You can learn from there as well if you wish. Now, should you use this transparency program, these transparency codes to ship your products to Amazon or to the shoppers? So for this one, 3 people must use Amazon transparency label. Number one is if you are selling a private label product and you have faced these hijacking issues with your product more than once. Number two, if you are selling a high priced item with really good margin, you should use it because you have margin, and once you make the process, then it is going to be easy for you. Number three, if you are selling a branded product, a big brand product with exclusive right, you must use transparency labels. Okay, so that's it for today's video. And as I said earlier, that if you have any question left regarding transparency program or anything regarding selling on Amazon, you can write me an email at anoop@@gmail.com. I'll love to reply personally within 24 hours. You can book a call with me also. I would love to join for free and help you with your Amazon business. This service is exclusively for my viewers. And yeah, that's it. So let's meet with a new video with a new topic very soon. Bye bye.